case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1940, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard the case of Conway v. O'Brien, which centered on the importance of careful driving to prevent accidents and injuries. The amount of care required in driving depends on the likelihood and severity of potential harm. The case arose from a car collision on a Vermont country road, where defendant O'Brien was driving on the wrong side of the road and collided with another car driven by Wilson. The plaintiff, a passenger in O'Brien's car, was injured and sued under Vermont's Guest-Occupant law, which required proof of gross negligence on the part of the defendant. The court took several facts into consideration, such as O'Brien's speed and the fact that the collision occurred between the left forewheels of both cars. Despite finding that O'Brien's driving was negligent, the court ultimately ruled that his conduct did not reach the level of gross negligence required by Vermont's Guest-Occupant law. As a result, the court dismissed the complaint without needing the judge to deny the motion again, with the failure to vacate the first order deemed sufficient.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.